Dinesh, and today I am demonstrating a very nice product which is a frozen coffee mousse. This frozen coffee mousse belongs to still frozen dessert and this is very easy to make. Let's check the ingredient. Students, for frozen coffee mousse gâteau, we require egg yolk 3 number, castor sugar 60 gram, whipping cream 250 gram, white chocolate 60 gram, fresh cream 60 gram, coffee powder 15 gram, gelatin powder 6 gram, vanilla essence half teaspoon, and chocolate sponge. First take 20 ml of water, add gelatin, mix it, make coffee syrup by adding coffee powder and 15 ml water. On double boiler, keep one bowl, add egg yolk, castor sugar and essence and start beating. Now our sabayon is ready. Our sabayon is ready and cooked as well. Add half of the coffee syrup into it. Mix it. Make white chocolate ganache by adding chocolate and cream together. Microwave it for 1 minute. Our white chocolate ganache is ready. Now you can add it into the coffee mixture. Mix it. Then add this coffee mixture into the whipping cream. Do not add everything one time. Now gelatin is already soaked with the water. It is melted. Put it in the pan. Take the coffee mixture. Take only some amount of cream. Because this gelatin mixture is hot, if you add everything together, it will melt all mousse. It will destroy their texture. So just take only some amount of mousse. Mix it. Now temperature of gelatin is reduced. Then add some more. So you can then you can control the temperature of gelatin water. Now this mix I have added it into the another pot. Pour coffee mixture into this mold. Cover this mousse with a chocolate sponge. Keep this one in the freezer for 2 hours. Take out the coffee mousse from the mold and keep it on rack. Then pour some coffee mirror glaze. Pour on coffee mousse. Pour on coffee mousse on all the side. Then drizzle some chocolate ganache on it. Now it's time for the presentation. Just draw some lines. Make some broths. Keep some nuts over here. Place frozen coffee mousse, put some chocolate garnish. Strawberry. So student, our frozen coffee mousse ready to serve.